So we're in Partridge Hall, the concert hall, which not only does acoustic events, but also handles amplified events. What St. Catharines wanted to do was to have an amazing room in both ways. I think the innovation that this room does that really hasn't been done, certainly not in Canada, I don't think really in the world, is to be able to maintain that great character for all of those different uses, yet really achieve a really, really high level of quality for all of them.
Starts as always in the lumberyard of the factory, showing how they pile the wood most carefully so that it air dries. Spraying the finish on the plate, a rough coat of what's called Japan, a heavy varnish, final voicing, and you see how there he is sticking the hammers, which is still done today the same way. Very rough coat. You can see the guy in the background rubbing now. He's studying veneers for the rim, which are one of the most critical parts. There is some traveling and spacing, which goes on and on and on.
I'm John Sherwood, and I'm very delighted to have been on the team to go down to Steinway in New York and select this instrument. The thing has to be loud. That's where we have to start. Apart from that, the instrument has to be of really high quality and precision manufacturing, because the action and the keyboard have to respond to many different situations. Delicate passages have to be played, bombastic and loud passages that have to be played. Stuart Goodyear and I both agreed that number 408, that's the one.